What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. So sorry I didn't update us yesterday about Bitcoin. Now we are watching Bitcoin. So I couldn't upload because I uploaded so many videos 2 days ago, which I got overly excited and uploaded more than I should. So without wasting much of your time right here, the FOMC meeting happened yesterday and things went south because obviously people, it's what happened, but according to what Kevin Wash said, it was obviously what people were expecting. So hopefully this year we are going to get one rate hike, or depending on how things go, because we still have a pending what's it called, a pending conflict resolution to be made, or peace deal to be signed tomorrow. So in less than 48 hours right now, in less than 48 hours, we are most likely going to see if this peace deal is going to be signed by both countries or not. Because obviously, if this deal gets signed, we are most likely going to see the market rally one way or another. So without wasting much of our time right now, looking at the chart, we can see clearly, if I should move this to the daily time frame right here, we could see clearly that we're at a level of support right here. But do not be quick to conclude if this is a level of support or not, because as you can see right here, this is majorly like a major level which we have broken below, which is the $64,513. So right now we could see that we have dropped all the way down to 63,800 level. We have found support on this trend line. Now, the question right now is, okay, we are most likely going to consolidate around this area. If I'm going to be breaking below this area, things are going to get worse. So I think we're most likely going to remain stable until probably the peace deal is being signed, the MOU is being signed by Iran and US. If that goes well, positively, we are most likely going to be breaking out to rally higher. But if that doesn't go well, we are most likely going to be breaking below any of these major points right here, in any of these major levels, depending on how we maintain this trend line by not breaking below it. So we are going to dump, especially if the peace deal is not signed. So without wasting much of your time, looking at the other chart right here, you could see that from this chart, we are kind of we were within a level of support right here. You could see how we reacted here, and yep, we take all this away just to avoid the chart from getting noisy. So you could see it clearly right here that this is definitely the situation of things. But most importantly, we need to look at this chart. This chart is definitely what we use most of the times, or what I use most of the time for short or mid-term analysis. So looking at the situation of things right here, from my previous video, I made it known to us that we have broken out of this triangle pattern, this triangular pattern right here, and our target was obviously $66,780, and you could see that was definitely where we went to. And I also made it known to us that we either have two major options. Either we are able to find support around this level after retesting the $64,853 after we broke out of it and rally. We find support, retest with good confirmation candle, we rally. But you could see we didn't get that confirmation candle yesterday. So hence why we dumped, especially during the FOMC meeting. You could see we have retested this major resistance at $64,840. This is obviously the confirmation candle. If this candle closes bearish, we are most likely going to be heading even as low as 60,900. That is definitely what I'm expecting us right now to get from this. So we're at a very bearish level right now. The only way forward right now is if Bitcoin decides to break this major resistance at $64,840. It breaks out of that level, finds support around here, then rally. And with the look of things, the only thing that can make this possible to me right now is the peace deal getting signed. And looking at the situation of other indicators right here, we could see the even the USDT dominance is about to break major resistance, because if you watched my video, you will see I extended this downtrend right here. So this is still a downtrend, and it seems we have broken above that downtrend, because you could see it clearly that whenever we come in contact with this level, we are always getting rejected. Right now, it seems we are not going to be getting rejected, but maybe from the daily time frame we are going to get rejected. I do not know, but from the 4 hours time frame right here, it seems we are most likely breaking out of this resistance right here. So without wasting much of your time, we could end up getting a move like this, whereby we end up retesting this level at 8.51%, right all the way into this major resistance at 8.7. Who knows if we're going to be breaking out, because obviously if the peace deal doesn't get signed, we're definitely going to be breaking out of this resistance to rally higher. So yep, crude oil right now, I'm sure they are still bearish. They are still looking very, very bearish right now, which is actually very, very good to take note of right here. So I think when if crude oil actually ends up dumping all the way down to $60.32, the market will definitely rally, I'm sure. But now the question is, okay, if liquidity is being moved from crypto, if crypto is not rallying when the crude oil is dumping, then where is the money going into? Which brings us to the S&P 500. The money is moving into stocks, and right now with the situation of things, we would see that the S&P 500, after a quick bounce from this major level of support at $7,266 or $65, we rallied to break above this resistance once more, but you could see we were not able to maintain the breakout. So right here, we've broken below major support at 7,558. If we are not careful, we are most likely going to get rejected and dump all the way down to $7,274 again, which means that the people are definitely leaving the market one way or another. People are de-risking, from whatever is to come, probably the war or something like that is to come. So this is just basically how things are right now. I'll definitely be here to keep each and every one of us updated tomorrow, next tomorrow, every day on my daily Bitcoin upload. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.